Good morning. Hey, good morning. It's 5 minutes to 5, and I'm walking it to work. So I try to get 10,000 steps daily, but on the days that I go to work, I am not able to get that 10,000. So what I do, I walk it in the mornings. So I decided now not to drive and start walking it. So it's not yet 5 o'clock, and and the road is busy, so I can walk it. Hey, good morning. I'm walking it to work. It's now to 5, and I'm walking it. I am alone on the road, but there are vehicles going and coming. Hey, how you doing? I'm getting my steps in. I decided not to drive this morning. It's almost 5 o'clock, and I am walking it. Thank you. I'm getting it in. So I am enjoying the company. Yeah, I need it. It's nice and cool. I'm trying to get to work by within the next 15 minutes, as I really don't like being alone on the road. But I don't get enough steps when I am at work. So this morning, I choose not to drive. Hey, how you doing? I don't know what is that. That's sequins. Whatever. I don't know. I would have to look that up. And if it's rude, I will have to get rid of it. So I really don't know. And put this away. Oh. Yes, Brady, I'm gonna get it done. I'm working hard to get it done. So there is one person there on their bike. So at least I'm not alone. Yeah. Let's see. Oh. Oh, that one person is staying with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. Ooh. It's a good walk. And it's uphill. So I'm sweating. Yeah. I have to have my eyes all over. Because hey, hello. This is how my town is at this time. Not much going on. It's 5:07. I wanted to get to work within 15 minutes, but it seems like it's gonna be 20 minutes. It's not bad. Oh. I'm getting there. I am getting there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the support. Thanks for all the positive comments. Thanks for cheering me on. I need it. I have lost some weight and my health issues have improved. So it's working. I'm not fully there yet, but I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going because I am doing it for a cause. I'm having some health issues, and so I have to do it. Anyway, I'm going to say bye. So like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.